Here is the... This is Jake's Christmas bake-off, and today I'm gonna make chocolate orange cheesecake Christmas trees. I've just made it up, literally. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so what we're gonna need is some plain waffle cones, icing sugar, 300 grams, 50 grams of golden caster sugar, some green food colouring, sprinkles, some more sprinkles, the zest of 2 oranges, well, you know, 1 orange, but that's all I've got, some chocolate, 250 grams. Okay, so the first thing to do is to trim the ice cream cones so that they sit up, upside down. So I've got to try and trim these. How will I do this? Wow. They're all different sizes at the moment. But that's okay. Maybe a bread knife would work better, would it? You do lose a bit of cone, but king tree. Okay, so next up, I've got to melt this. Right in the micro ding. Okay, so now that's melted. Look at that lovely chocolate. Now I've got to dip the ends, the big ends in the cone, in the chocolate, sorry, and then let it set. So here goes. Look at that. Focus. Hello. I'm about to put it there. Now they all need to set. You then transfer the rest of the chocolate, melted chocolate, into a piping bag. Then we've got to fill the inside of the cones with a bit of chocolate. Now they've all cooled in the fridge. I've got my piping bag and I'm just going to fill about a quarter of it with melted chocolate and then put it back in the fridge to set. Lovely. Now look, a little bit of chocolate at the bottom. Back in the fridge. Okay, now I've got to make the cheesecake mix. So, obviously just making this up off the top of my head, so that means put the cream cheese, zest, mascarpone, and caster sugar in a bowl and beat with a spoon. Yeah, that's what I should do. Oh, creamy. What the fuck? How's the sugar done that? Oh, there is. Foam, tap it. Whisking the oranges now. Not whisking, zesting. Gently caress the oranges. Just fall into pieces. Cross. Just got to mix all this together. Because I'm doing baking. Lovely. Yum. 100 grams of this bad boy. I've got to whisk this, then transfer into the cheesecake mix. This could take hours. My arms. Getting there. Slowly. But surely. Trimmed the beard really short. What do you reckon? Don't usually have it that short. I don't think I like it that short, do you? Oh, dreamboat, you came and you loved. Oh, I might have to do, you know. It'll sit in the fridge anyway, won't it? So after you've done that for about 6 hours, and then it's a bit thicker than it was, you get another piping bag, and you pour it in. Actually, cancel that. You're supposed to pour it in with the mixture, then pour the mixture into the piping bag. So I told you wrong. Love a good mistake. So now give this just a little mix in. So it's all lovely. Look at that. And then you pour this mixture into there. And now we fill these up right to the top. Now they're all ready for the fridge for 2 hours to set, and then you have to clean up all your mess. All of it. Okay. So I'm just getting into the flow. Now we're going to do the icing, which is 300 grams. Earlier in the video I said I've just made it up. It was my own thing. For fuck's sake. So we need 300 grams of icing sugar now for the next step. 250 grams of unsalted butter, softened, which I've done twice because I melted the first lot. And then a bit of green colouring to make it Christmas tree green. Let's go. Here's my icing sugar. Softened butter. Christmas tree green. About 10 blobs. Hello. Just the tiniest little splash. Just another splash. Look at that, all ready to go. Aren't they? Aren't they? They're melting, can you believe it? Here's the...
Oh my god, what did you do?
Dropped it.
Oh fuck's sake.
Where's the final one?
Put it on the plate.
And here's the final one! Yay! Maybe just look at the mess. Oh god.
I bet they taste lovely.
I'm now announcing my retirement from baking. Merry Christmas. What?
You!
We're just sound checking. Oh, hello.